In this video, we'll show you how to teleport in Minecraft. If you find it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Teleporting lets you instantly move to a specific location, and to do this, you'll need to have commands enabled. For Minecraft Java Edition, you just need to pause the game, click on Open LAN, and make sure Allow Cheats is turned on. For Minecraft Bedrock Edition though, you must first exit your world by pausing it and hitting save and quit, and then click edit in the world you'd like to teleport in. Locate the cheats section and make sure it is toggled on. Now you can load back into your world, and once you get loaded in, you can hit /TP@S to select yourself, then either choose a player's name or the coordinates you would like to teleport to. Press enter and you'll instantly be teleported to that location. That's it. If this guide helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next guide and have a good rest of your day.